I I also today's question is maximum number of vowels in a substring of a given length. So it is basically a sliding window problem. So what we have a given a string as an integer k that is fixed window length that we have to calculate the substring of length 3 which contains the maximum number of vowels. Vowels is obviously aeiou. So ABC contains only one vowel. ABC of length 3, BCI contains one vowel. CII contain two vowels, that is I and II is the maximum number of vowels. If this substring comes, then this is the maximum number of vowels, that is 3 in whole of the vowels A, E, I, O, U. So we have to use a sliding window problem. So I have taken a linked hash map and initialize all the value of the vowels to 0, starting from 0 to length 3, that is ABC, because we have a fixed length 3. I will calculate the number of vowels. If it is of the value one of them, A, E, I, O, U, so A occurs, A will be 1. So the maximum number of vowels in the map of length 3 is 1, because A is 1 and other values are still 0. So math.max of sum and max is initially integer or min value, that is somewhere in minus 2, 1, 2 something. So max is 3. So what we have to do in a sliding window problem, I will add the next value and delete the count of the previous value in the map. So what I have done, starting from k, so these three value we have already calculated in the initial window. Now the window will start from here and go till end, and before adding this I will decrement the count of anything which, if the map contains the value at the previous value, which will be obviously incremented. Now if I add this I, then this b will, if this is a vowel, then this value should, the count should be reduced to 1. So what I have done, uh, again sum will be equal to 0. Then I have calculated map.get string of the start is initially 0. It will be incremented. If we add the next character, then we have to remove the previous character to maintain the window of length 3. So I will get the map.get. If it is contains, then it will return the count, otherwise it will not return the count. I will put that map uh, for that value and reduce the count by 1 if the value is one of aeiou, the first previous value. Okay. And adding the next value of the same thing, map dot contains key, then I will get the count, increment the count. If it is come first time, I will put the count. Again I will get the sum of all the vowels of length 3. If it, now here a will be 0, uh, uh, B- here the string will be bci, and we have removed the count of a, that is it will be equal to 0. Here count will be again equal to 1, the max will be again 1. So again I will include this I and decrement the b count, that is b is initially not in the map, so it will not affect. So I will be 2. Again adding the I, decrementing the c is not in the count, so max is here, the window is 3, the maximum answer is 3 here. So adding d and removing previous I, so I contains in the map, so I count is initially 3. Now the I count will be 2, and d count, d is not in the map, so it will not matter. So what here, the highlighted the map will look like a0 e0 I2 o0 u0. Okay, and here this is the substring which contains the maximum number of vowels, that is I3 and then value 0. So calculate the sum and put the mat.max of that, the max will be 3. So this is the sliding window problem which you have to follow here. Thank you.